In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new pages in Power BI Report View. If you're building a report and want to keep your insights organized, adding new pages is one of the simplest and most effective ways to do it. Think of each page as a separate canvas where you can focus on a specific topic, audience, or question, like one page for an overview, another for regional breakdowns, and another for deep dive analysis. This keeps your report clear, navigable, and easier to maintain as it grows. First, make sure you're working in Report View, where you design your visuals. At the bottom of the interface, you'll see the Page tabs. This is the horizontal strip that shows each page in your report. It's just like tabs in a spreadsheet. If you have several pages, you might need to move along the strip to see them all. But the key thing to look for is the small plus icon at the far right, next to the last page. Click the plus icon, and Power BI will instantly add a fresh blank page to your report. You'll notice it appears with a default name, and the canvas is completely empty, ready for new visuals. This new page won't change anything on your existing pages. It simply gives you a clean space to work on a new part of your story. Use this to separate high-level dashboards from detailed drill downs or to organize content by department, metric, or time frame. Next, give your new page a meaningful name so it's easy for you and your viewers to find what they need at a glance. You can rename the page directly on its tab. Just select the name and type a clear, descriptive label, then press Enter. Names like Sales Overview, Marketing Funnel, or Customer Support Trends are much more helpful than generic labels. Consistent naming makes navigation intuitive and helps collaborators understand your structure quickly. Now, start adding your visuals to the new page. Use the same approach you use on any other page. Place charts, cards, and slicers on the canvas that answer the specific questions this page is meant to address. Each page holds its own layout and visuals, so you can design it independently to keep the focus tight and relevant. If you need more pages later, simply repeat the same plus icon action whenever you want to expand your report. That's all there is to it. Find the Page tabs, click the plus icon to add a new page, rename it, and begin building out your visuals.